The thought will come, but if you ignore it, it will go. But if you meditate on that thought, it will grow. From a thought to an action, now it's a distraction. Now you're looking and searching for sexual satisfaction. Expect it. On every blessed day, temptation will walk by. On every blessed day, different things will catch your eye. On every blessed day, different thoughts will fly. But if you don't give it time and attention, it will die. Unexpected, in your face, a sexy pic. You could, ignore it, don't click. If the enemy can get you in the room, if the enemy can get you on that site, it's game over. You've lost the fight. Ignore the knock of temptation, don't open the door. You're on your way to the top, don't respond to the floor. Those activities will bring you down. Those activities will disqualify you from your crown. Ignore it. You don't have time to waste. Ignore it. You're not a slave to master bait. Ignore it. You have better things to do. Ignore it. God has great plans for you. Ignore it. Don't give it your focus and energy. Ignore it. Keep your eyes on the road to your destiny. Just like you can train your arms and legs in the gym, you can actually train your eyes. How? By spiritual exercise. Honest prayer to God, pushing and pressing into Him. See you tomorrow, guys. We're meeting at the spiritual gym. Bless you. Bye for now.